MetaMask is finally preparing to launch its own token, and this could be the biggest airdrop in crypto history. But what exactly is Mask? When is it coming? And how do you prepare yourself to take advantage of it? Let's break it down step by step. MetaMask, the most popular Ethereum wallet, and with over 100 million users, is gearing up for its own token launch, the long-rumored Mask token. Joseph Lubin, co-founder of Ethereum and CEO of ConsenSys, recently confirmed that the token will launch sooner than expected. That means we could see the token by the end of 2025 or early 2026. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. Now, let's rewind a little bit. Back in 2021, Lubin teased the idea of a MetaMask token with the famous line, "When Mask." By 2022, ConsenSys confirmed that they were working on a token and a DAO, but not a full governance DAO. The goal was to fund ecosystem growth and support developers. Things slowed down though. In 2024, the SEC sued ConsenSys over MetaMask staking and swaps. That lawsuit delayed everything. Meanwhile, scammers took advantage. Fake Mask tokens, presales, and shady listings popped up everywhere. MetaMask had to keep reminding users, no, the token isn't live yet. So why launch a token now? Mask will serve three main purposes. Governance. Token holders can vote on ecosystem decisions. Rewards. Possible airdrops to active users who've swapped, breached, or staked through MetaMask. Ecosystem funding. Support DAO developers and expand on their features like MetaMask card and their new stablecoin MUSD. And this isn't just hype. MetaMask already generates over $325 million annually from swap fees alone. Mask will be tied to real revenue streams. So when could all this happen? There's no official date yet, but speculation is strong. Betting sites like Polymarket is giving it nearly 50% chance of launching by the end of 2025. Some over-the-counter markets are already pricing Mask around 18 to 23 cents, giving it a valuation way below its peers like Coinbase. That means there's big opportunity and big volatility ahead. Here's the important part. If you want to position yourself for a potential airdrop, do this. Be active on MetaMask. Use swaps, bridges, and interact with dApps inside the wallet. Try new features like their MUSD stablecoin or ZK integration. Build history. Eligibility might depend on past consistent usage, not just last-minute activity. Stay safe. No pre-sales, no shady links. The only official announcement will come from the MetaMask app. Crypto Twitter is buzzing. Some people are joking that even South Park is hinting at MetaMask in its episode about crypto and prediction markets. Others are comparing MetaMask to Rainbow's RNBW token, or saying MetaMask should fix wallet lag before launching a coin. Love it or hate it, Mask is already one of the most anticipated tokens in the space. So, will Mask become the next uni, rewarding millions of users, or will regulations slow things down? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and smash that bell notification so you don't miss out when Mask goes live. This is Geoffrey Gekood, and I'll see you in the next one.